Hello researcher, and very good morning and very good evening to all of you. Today this is my first lecture on YouTube and I hope you will enjoy this video and it will help you to understand how to install Mendeley Desktop in your desktop. And in another video I will teach you how to cite your research paper on Mendeley Desktop by clicking a single click. And another next video I will give you why we need Mendeley Desktop for citation of research paper or the introduction to Mendeley Desktop. So today I will give you some steps how to install Mendeley Desktop and how it help you to save your research time and you can cite lot of scientific research paper in a single click. So just go to the Mendeley web page www.mendeley.com and this Mendeley Desktop is available for Windows and Mac OS, Mendeley Desktop Mac OS, and also available for Linux. And if you want to use it on iPhone, iPod Touch or iPad, you can install by going this other link. But if you are using Windows, then go to this green link and download it. It will take some time and just see, this is the instruction. First steps: download Mendeley Desktop and install Mendeley Desktop, and the third steps: open Mendeley and log in into this web page using your email ID and secure password. So this will take some time to install. Yes, Mendeley Desktop has downloaded. So click shown in folder and this folder is here. Go to this and take it out on desktop, paste it on desktop like this and right click on it and okay, so run as administrator. Yes, is started running and so it asks, do you want to allow this app to make change to your PC? Click on S and just wait for a moment. And welcome to the Mendeley Desktop setup wizard. Click next and if you want to read their term and conditions, you can go through it and read it and accept this for further progress. I agree. And where you want to install destination of folder, so if you want to select any specific folder, go to the browser or it will take as a default your file will save on C drive in program file 86x. So click on next and choose start menu folder. So do not create shortcuts. If you don't want to create shortcut on your desktop, click here and install it. There was a problem in installing a file. Please close Mendeley Desktop, Microsoft Word or Mendeley Outlook, because this error is because I have already installed Mendeley Desktops, that's why it appears. So close it and cancel this. So if the installation has completed, this icon is appeared on your desktop. So click on this icon, just click this icon. Okay, sorry. So so after completion of your installation, this icon is appear on your desktop screen. Otherwise, if this screen is not appeared on desktop, go to the search and type Mendeley. To the search and find out from here, and click on that software. If you open, this type of window will appear. So this there is a icon here. For the first time you need to log in, or for the first time you need to log in Mendeley Desktop. So click here, and this will take into the mendeley.com file, and click here and sign in. I have already signed in, that's why this. Okay, so continue it, and asking for password. So okay, I put it, and never will get this interface. And first thing what you need to do is go to the tools and install ms world plugin. ms world plugin. Because I have already installed it, so just close it, and just close it. So the rest of the things in Mendeley I will teach you in the next coming lecture. Thank you for watching. Really enjoyed to watching this video. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for latest update. I will come up with next and new upcoming video on research topic. So thank you again for watching this video.